Hello and welcome to the 2024 Rubbish Film Festival Regional Awards ceremonies. Now in its 8th year, the festival has gone from strength to strength, with 13 local authorities and over 90 schools taking part.
These awards celebrate the creativity, the hard work and the talent of transition year students in participating schools right throughout Ireland.
Before we proceed, we would like to thank the local authorities and county councils for their continued support.
We'd also like to express the gratitude of the Environmental Protection Agency for helping us create awareness on these important issues.
Now let's move on to why we are here, to find out who took part, what the movies are, and of course, who are the winners.
In County Donegal, there are 5 schools taking part, and these schools are Garmscoil Vic Dermida from Arranmore Island, Finn Valley College, Moville Community College, Condonna Community School, Ross's Community School. Each participating school had to make a 1-minute movie and a poster.
They took an idea from paper, directed, produced, starred and edited everything you will see.
So without further ado, let's sit back, relax and enjoy the movies.
Hi, we're Moville Community College. This is our entry.
You gotta give love a chance, because good love won't let you down. No, no.
Hello, we're Finn Valley College and this is our entry.
Hi, we are Garmscowick Dermida and this is our entry. Hey Marie, can you send in my 8 o'clocks please? Welcome, hi. Have a seat. What's your name? I'll cut to the chase. Our company has the best quality products and the highest paying salaries. For example, we have the best fashion branch, best cosmetic branch, and best vehicle branch. We don't actually have a position open for you right now. Hello, Mary. Another death in the factory? It's the 15th this week. Actually, a position has opened up for you in our factories. By the way, anything that happens, you are responsible for in there. Thank you. You start on Monday.
Thank you.
Hello, we're the TYs from Ross's Community School Donegal, and this is our production for the Rubbish Film Festival.
I always knew my sinful ways would catch up with me in the end. I guess I'm afraid. Something the matter, partner?
I have a body poster here for $25 for Marshall Gay Grisby's body, dead or alive. You do know that littering is a hanging offense?
You can only hang me once. I'll be double dog damned.
Oh, he might have went on living, but he made one fatal slip when he tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his
Later,
hip.
bud.
Big iron, big iron.
Hello, we are Donegal Community School and this is our entry.
I'm a happy, healthy Earth. I might go for a little stroll and see my beautiful creations. Ouch, what was that? What's happened here? My beautiful home.
Congratulations everyone for those fantastic movies and for all of the hard work you put in.
It's great to see such amazing creativity, and we were so impressed to see how you captured the essence of the festival themes.
Yeah, well done everyone. And now the time has come to announce the winners. First up, the best poster.
And the winner is...
Well done.
Well done, guys.
Great effort. Brilliant. Well done. And now the film categories. The award for the runner-up film goes to... Well done. Woo. And finally, the award for Best Film. The award for Best Film goes to... Brilliant. Before we close, we'd like to say a huge thank you to the sponsors, to the students and the schools that have taken part.
The work we've seen carries vital environmental messages. They remind us of our responsibility to protect our planet for future generations.
We'll be in touch with the winners shortly to arrange for delivery of their awards. And a reminder too that the award winners for Best Film and Best Poster go through to the National Awards that'll be taking place shortly.
So let's continue to support young creatives as they advocate for positive change.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks, guys.